Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we have guest on our channel, Mr. Vinith, and we are going to play with him on the match directly for 3+0. I'm going to share the invite with him. Vinith, you wanna say something?
Yes, let's begin.
Okay, so I'm sending you the invite right away. Let's just check it out on your account of chess.com if you're receiving it and just accept it.
Yes,
Okay,
accepted.
I am with the white pieces. So I'll play as simple as that so that let's see, I'm starting with the e4.
Okay.
Okay, this is very rare opening I've ever seen. Let's see. Let's stick to the
Okay,
plan.
let's
Vinith is trying to attack
try
on
this.
d4, but I have just defended twice over there. And now Vinith just started strike onto the center, but I want to close the center. Let's go with the push of pawn to the e5. Now let's see what is the next plan of Vinith. Okay, Vinith has just started attacking very fastly, so I am just going to pin his knight. Sorry.
Okay.
So if he wants to capture, let him capture. I'll recapture it with my knight. Vinith, what is this? This is a serious blunder, you know.
Yes, but uh, let's try.
This is a serious blunder, you know. I can simply capture your knight. It will be like a check, and it is I'm forking
Yes.
and I'm going to win your rook immediately. So two pieces down means it's okay. I'll give one chance.
Let's try. Let's try.
I'll give a
Let's try.
chance for that. Let's castle. I'm just ignoring the mistake, and if you are not correcting your mistake, now I'm going to punish you. Then.
Sure, sure. No problem. That's the way I will learn more things.
Yeah. So you should have just simply develop your bishop on b7.
Okay. So, so
This is again, you know. Okay, but yeah, this is playable now. You can't move your knight.
yeah.
So let's go with the rook to e1. I'm just threatening the attack towards the. Oh, this is the very good move. It's very good move, I can say, because now you are asking me to go back and now simply you can push your pawn further and I need to run away. But can I just play a4?
Okay. Nice.
So
So basically,
I
you.
just wanna use my rook file to get open and use the rook to other files by taking out from a3 to somewhere else. Like
So I will just open my this thing, right?
okay. Mm, the next side I can come here or here. Okay, let's develop the queen. Now let's see if Vinith can identify the trap here if he is able to identify. Otherwise, he is going to lose the piece.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, what is this, Vinith? This is again another blunder. You know what?
Yeah.
Now I'm threatening here twice on. I'm attacking twice on your bishop. You should have support your bishop, or otherwise you should have taken back by means just simply capture my bishop. But you just missed that. Now I'm going to punish you. I'm just capturing your bishop.
Hmm. sense. But this is an opportunity, I think, for me.
There is no problem in it. Sorry. There is no problem at all with this. Yeah, I can lose the rook. That might be possible, but I can save it
Mhm.
as well. How can I save it?
Yes.
How can I save it? So there are two ways now. You can simply capture it. Okay. Can come back if you captures. If you push further, then there is a problem. But you should not know about that. Nah. You can push it or not, but okay. Yeah, I'm very much down on a time. So I'll play fast. Vinith is having 1 minute extra.
But see,
See if you can.
so
The main idea here, you can save yourself. Yes, you saved it. But yeah, I'll win some material. Definitely.
okay.
Now there are two threads. Yeah, yeah. You have correctly pointed the thread. So yeah, I'm very much down on a time. I don't see anything. 5 seconds left.
Uh, this like okay. Let's try this.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. I have just blundered,
Yeah, but I will eat it.
No, no, I just simply blunder. I would have simply won your knight, but let it be now.
Mhm.
I'm only upper pawn,
Okay.
but your
So this one.
now what you are going to do?
Now I think. Okay.
You are also down 14-13 seconds. You need to play fast. I'm used to with the bullet matches. Play fast, play fast.
Yeah, because it is check. So
Oh no, you lost on time.
check. But
You simply lost on
okay.
time. I was also losing
But
on
wait.
time, but yeah, I tried to defend. In the last moment, I have actually, in the last few seconds, there was opportunity when you have shifted your queen back. I would have simply, let's go to analysis.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it would be nice, correct? A nice game.
Let me just show you quickly where there was opportunity. This is a this was a very good move. You played very nicely by keeping knight over there, attacking twice, and here there is very nicely chance that you can win the piece back, which you lost before that move. But yeah, I also played the move which I thought it is a correct, but no, it was not correct. Then I have just simply chop up that pawn over there, and you have played to fork my two rooks, and then I just played that I wanna simply go with the queen exchange, but you denied it, and that time there was a chance, means I simply pick up the pawn and give the check, and I can simply win your knight. But yeah, I just lost that. There was another it was showing another this pawn e5 to you just take on f6, That was also nice. So yeah, anyway, you lose on time. So it was a nice game, means it was a kind of a nice game. So
Yes,
we'll
yes.
play one more game later on, and do let me
Sure,
know,
sure.
guys, if you like the video, if you like the game. Yeah, there were some accurate moves are also there, but yeah, it is a part of a game, and in a time pressure, you are definitely going to play some wrong moves. So that is always possibility. So, Vinod, before closing you wanna say something to fans?
Yes. So fans, please follow the channel, like, share, subscribe, and please share this video to as many as possible your friends, so they will also learn from this. So all the best, guys.
Thank you,
See
Vinod.
you
Thank
next
you.
time.
It is
Thank
very
you.
nice to have you on the channel. So, see you soon. Hello, bye bye.
See
Take
you.
care.
Bye bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Do like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.